God, my two friends and we're gonna do the Mugen train. Why is this one just whatever? Second one. Whew. Here we go. Yeah, let's go. What are you gonna do? Just chase after it or something? No, turn it to Tanjiro because he has a stronger head. Ooh, I can enable hell mode. Should I, let's do hell mode. Also, hell mode will make it like 10 times harder. I'm just joking. Head over here. How do you still loading in? How do you still loading in somehow? You know, I'm gonna just skip these 15 minutes. Alright, we're in and now we're here, so we're just gonna run past my friends because they don't have this ability. No, you aren't. Great, great. Now we have to protect this. Now we have to protect Rengoku's heart or something. I don't know. Core, yeah, core. Breathe. Get off. No. Bro. Last time we had like around 50 people in there. No, I'm just joking. Like max people, 5 people. Yeah, before it's over. All of my moves are knocked back. Besides the last move. But it's only one move. And also and also with the mist breathing you can turn it you can turn it visible with the last move and also it deals damage to them so it doesn't suck for this one. What's attacking? What's attacking? What's attacking? Yeah, what's attacking? Huh? So these 100 seconds will be painful with my friends. So we're gonna be skipping this. I'm sorry. Ah, we done with this. That was a painful 100 seconds, but we're still alive. Oh no, not this. Yeah, this is also gonna be painful. We're gonna stay for like 1 minute and then I'll have to we can only make this video like under or 15 minutes. What do you mean? Oh, wait, are there more here? Subscribe. Yeah, I'm gonna be skipping now. So yeah, we're about to lose as you can see. Definitely. Okay, I got this. My 1-8 thingamajiggy moves can help. This one right next to me is also about to die. Wait. How much more seconds do we have? 50 more seconds? That's too long. I'm pausing. Ooh, we're about to make it in. Oh, we thought we were gonna lose, but we're gonna make it in. Let's go. The fact we actually stayed alive for that. So I died because I was like 169 HP. I thought the lady said try me. Tennis, I promise if you don't make it and don't defeat him, I don't know. Just don't die. You made me waste my money. No! I just lost my money. Guys, please donate to me in Magic Slayers, including Alex and Andy. We are poor now. See you, YouTube.